Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from a Capital One credit card. So, first, log into your Capital One account and confirm if your card supports cash advances. If you don't have a PIN yet, request one. You will need it for ATM withdrawals. Now, you can use your credit card at an ATM that accepts Visa or MasterCard, or visit a bank teller. Now, you can insert your card or use the cardless option if supported. Enter your PIN and choose the cash advance option. Now, select the amount you want to withdraw. Now, keep in mind the available cash limit, which is often lower than your overall credit limit. Then, review any fee or extra ATM charges before completing. Cash advances come with a fee, often a flat amount or percentage, and a higher APR. Interest usually starts accruing immediately. There's no grace period. For example, using your Capital One credit card at an ATM means you will pay the advanced fee plus any ATM surcharge. Because this is essentially borrowing against your credit line. The sooner you pay it off, the less interest you will accumulate. Also, keep an eye on how it affects your credit utilization ratio. High usage can hurt your score. So, that is the simple way through which you can withdraw money from a Capital One credit card. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.